What is going on, guys? Fantastic Flicks here. I don't know if this is gonna go on YouTube, but if it is, then what's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? But yeah, so I just got, finally, after having my Switch since December 2017, I finally got my hands on a Pro controller. And for a long time, I've been using this, which is a wired one. It has to be plugged in, which was a Mario and Luigi design. It has two different shells, but I got the Luigi shell because we don't like Luigi. Mario's the real G. So you got the Luigi skin, and I painted it silver. I didn't make a video of it, but I just did it for fun. And it looks cool now because it's scuffed up because I didn't put any finish on it. Like I didn't put like a clear finish. So it gets rough, and it's a really nice controller. It just feels kind of light, and I like whenever I go out of town and I don't bring the dock, I have to use the Joy-Cons, and we know those are drifting right now. There's a whole lawsuit about it. It's drifting. The controllers are gonna be, hopefully Nintendo does something about it, but yeah, the Joy-Cons I have right now, right here, are they drift a lot. They both do. This one drifts sometimes, this one drifts all the time. The left one's worse than the right. So whenever I go out of town, whoops, see, I just dropped it, so let's hope I get new ones. But it didn't break, I'm kidding. But yeah, so we're gonna unbox this Pro controller just for fun. I don't think it's gonna go on YouTube. Again, it might be, but you know, content's content. But you've probably seen people unbox these hundreds of times. This has been out since the Switch came out. It's been the thing. So yeah, we're gonna open it up and we're gonna sync it up to my Switch, which I'm gonna leave off for now because I won't need it. But yeah, we're gonna unbox this with my nail because I need to cut them and they're long. So I can easily take this tape off right here. But yeah, so I have been playing Smash a lot, and I've always told myself I was gonna get a GameCube controller, but to be honest, a lot of the time I'm playing Smash is like not at home. Like I don't play competitively. I play you know 3 stock Omega stages only. Like I'm like that, but I'm not good. I'm not super good. So I'm not like, I like the GameCube layout, but I don't think it's worth paying for the wireless one and then only being able to use it for Smash. Like you can use it for other games, but it's uncomfortable. Like imagine playing like a FPS game with like that tiny C stick. I'd rather have an all-around controller. And I've been playing with this controller on Smash, so I've been getting good with this layout. So this is not gonna be a difficult transition for me at all. Yeah, it's the inside. You slide this out. Oh, you don't slide this out, this part comes out. And then you pull this out and we have a charging cable, which is always lovely. It's USB-C, which is one of the best things I think Nintendo did was USB-C. And then we have this foam. USB-C is really nice. We have this foam thing. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is nice. This is like the Xbox One controller heavy, like the weight. It's so nice. Dang, that feels so good. This is like the best control. Wow. This is probably one of the best controllers I've ever felt. Like the only problem I have is these are not analog. They're just button inputs, but I don't mind that much because this is what all the Switch controllers are. And we have this plastic, oh, here's a satisfying bit right here. This is why I filmed the review, because I want to be able to watch this again, but just, oh, look at how shiny that is. You can see the reflection of the phone. Oh, wow. So yeah, that is nice. I have to plug it in, I'm pretty sure, to my Switch first, but we're gonna sync this baby up. That's a pretty decent, this is like a phone charger cable, so it's pretty long. It's got some distance, but let's plug it into the side of the Switch, turn it on, and we're gonna plug that in. We're gonna sync it up, so let's do that. Oh, here we go. All right, it's already paired. Nice. My dad was playing Mario Kart, I guess, but yeah. The home button's in a different place. The plus and minus are here. This is usually where the home button is for my other controller, so it's a little bit different. Can I unplug this? Yeah. I'm probably gonna keep it plugged in for now just so I can charge up. But yeah, I thought the pairing was gonna be different. It's a lot easier than I thought. And yeah, look at that. They got lights on it for indicating what player it is. This is player 1. So yeah, that's not really, I mean, like I'm not gonna review the controllers. I think you all know how good this thing is. The joysticks feel really, really solid. Nice grip on them. The D-pad is just Nintendo D-pad quality. It's so good. Nintendo's D-pads are the best. You got some big, huge buttons right here for nice inputs. It works, yeah, of course. You press in on these. They got the bumpers and the triggers. They all feel really good. And it's a really nice weight. It probably weighs like, I don't know, maybe a little bit over ½ pound. Yeah, ½ pound. Yeah, around that. So it's really, it's not a pound. It's not super heavy, but I like weight on my controllers. I think it feels way better. Like playing with that thing just feels like you could smash it in one throw.
And up smash.
Max,
Oh,
yep,
and that's
I
gonna
immediately
do
saw
it.
it. And he...
I don't do that to my controllers, but it does. It does look like it took a beating. And then right here, I know there's an NFC chip reader right here, which I don't really use Amiibo, but I have some. I have a Zero Suit Samus, a Sonic, a Donkey Kong, a Pikachu, a Fox. Yeah, that's how many I have, 5. So yeah, I might get some more Amiibos in the future for like, I think I might get the Banjo one when that comes out, and it's gonna come out like next year, like middle of next year, but I'm still probably gonna get it because I just like Banjo a lot. I was super excited for him coming to Switch, Smash. I was so excited. I could probably put the clip right here up right now of me freaking out over that. It's happening, dude. Yes. Yes, I've wanted this so bad. Oh my God. So yeah, you could see I was very excited. I freaked out a bunch. Probably one of the most exciting Smash announcements besides King K. Rool. King K. Rool is probably the second most exciting. I think Banjo topped it. But yeah, and there's the box again. Just all the stuff in. I'm probably gonna throw the box away. I'm not gonna keep it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I know this is really short, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put this on YouTube. But this is pretty short. I just felt like unboxing it and filming me unboxing it just so I could have a video of it and just for content. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.